So if you're anything like me, kitchen gadgets, kitchen appliances are just not my thing to want to go out and buy. I have been married for almost 33 years and I finally got myself a set of stainless steel mixing bowls. They are from Cuisinart. They come with the big 5-quart, the 3-quart, and the 1.5 quart. And as you can see, they come with covers. Perfect for if you have leftovers and you want to stick it in the fridge instead of dirtying another bowl. It's ideal. They are dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and refrigerator safe. Thought I would share my thoughts on my new bowls, my exciting purchase. And maybe if you're looking for bowls for yourself, check these out because it was not a bad price. They are just really great quality.